In fact, this morning we are here to make a difference in the life of Eparama. We could have just simply asked Eparama to come over to our office and receive the grant certificate and the handing over. But we thought that we need to go to Eparama. We should reach out to our youth, and that is why I'm here with my team. I'm honored to be here this morning to recognize the effort of Eparama, who was one of our recipients and was selected through the process for the grant under the Ministry of Youth and Sports. Government through Ministry of Youth and Sport provided Eparama $3,000 worth of funding for the preparation of the land. This youth grant assistance program in the Ministry for Youth and Sports supports the self-help initiative by young people like Eparama in the age of 15 to 35. Through this grant, we envision to strengthen the enterprise development initiative by young people so that they are self-employed and have a strong base to support other youth in the community, and also providing opportunity for the employment of other youth of his college. Government has set up initiatives to strengthen market for farmers through Agro Marketing Authority, who buys directly from farmers and supply to local and export markets. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, I urge you all to take care of your health and the health of your families and work together to strengthen your community during these challenging times. I wish you all the best, and I congratulate Eparama for his effort. Vinaka, and thank you.